Anyone ever told you that your ass is motherfucking ungrateful? Let me tell you why it's great to practice some gratitude. Let's rewind. Hey, sunshine. I'm Dr. Donna Oreo, sex and relationship therapist in the Washington, D.C. metro area, helping black women feel free, fabulous, and fucked. And gratitude. That's what we were talking about this week on In My Black Feelings. You know, just ahead of the Thanksgiving holiday, want to make sure that we are in some gratitude. And here's the thing. Gratitude is actually good for your mental health. And a lot of people don't know that, right? So being able to go through the things that you're actually grateful for, that you're actually happy about, can help you make you a more resilient person. Did you know that? That it can help you deal with adversity. And if you're black, you got adversity. If you're a black woman, you got more adversity. If you're a black disabled woman, you have more adversity. So finding things that you can actually be grateful for can be helpful as fuck. So another one is it gives you more energy. It's good for your mental health. And it's good for improved self-esteem. Boop. It's good for improved self-esteem, y'all. And I feel like that's one of the main things that I'm constantly talking about, how we can improve our self-esteem. And gratitude is one of the ways that we can actually go ahead and do that. So let me give you the tea on how we were talking about how you can practice a little bit of gratitude. One is you can create a gratitude jar. So you get your jar together, you know, once you finish out that spaghetti sauce or whatever, go and clean it out, wash it out, dry it out. Decorate your jar. And then when you find something that you're grateful for, when something happens that you're just like, hell fucking yeah, go ahead and write that thing down on a Post-it or a small piece of paper. Drop it in a jar. And on those days where you're feeling rather shitty and like you got somebody that you're trying to fight, go back and look and take something out of the gratitude jar so that you can remember something that you've been grateful for in the past. How do you practice gratitude, and what is something that you're grateful for?